everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video, that is the classification of Arthropoda, and this classification is described here according to Rupert Barnes classification 1994. Okay, and before going to this topic, I want to say thank you to all of you who have already subscribed my channel and support me for the growth of this channel. Thank you to all. And this classification, before this Arthropoda classification, I already uploaded Mollusca classification, Nidaria, and Echinodermata, and Annelida. Okay, so you all check that videos. These are all uploaded in my channel previously. Clear? So here the phylum is Arthropoda, and under this phylum there are 4 subphylums. Okay, one is Trilobita, second one is the Chelicerata, third one is the Crustacea, and fourth one is the Uniramia. Okay, the first one, Trilobita, this is extinct. So we will just learn Chelicerata, Crustacea, and Uniramia. Under Chelicerata there are 3 classes. One is the Merostomata, second one is the Arachnida, and third one is the Pycnogonida. And under Crustacea there are many classes. Okay, Remipedia, Cephalocardia, Branchiopoda, Ostracoda, Copepoda, Mystacocarida, Branchiura, Pentastomida, Tantulocarida, Cirripedia, Malacostraca. Okay, these are the subclasses that remain under the subphylum Crustacea. Okay, and here the subclasses is that under Merostomata class there are 2 subclasses. One is the Xiphosaura and Eurypterida, that is extinct. And under Branchiopoda there are 3 subclasses. One is the Calamanostraca, Diplostraca, Cercostraca. Under Ostracoda there are 2 subclasses, Medocopa and Podocopa. Clear? And under Malacostraca there are 3 subclasses, Phyllocarida, Hoplocarida, and Eumalocostraca. Okay, and under Uniramia, this is the subphylum, there are I think 5. 1, 2, sorry, this is the insecta part. Okay, sorry. So under Uniramia, this is the subphylum, there are classes that Chilopoda, Symphyla, Diplopoda, Poropoda, and Insecta. And another name of Insecta, that is the Hexapoda. Clear? And under this Chilopoda there are 2 subclasses. One is the Epimorpha and second one is the Anamorpha. And under Diplopoda there are 3 subclasses. One is Pencillata, second one is the Pentazonia, third one is the Helminthomorpha. Okay, so Pencillata, Pentazonia, and Helminthomorpha. And under Insecta there are 2 subclasses. One is the Entognatha, another is the Ectognatha. Clear? So actually these are the classes, subclasses, and subphylum of Arthropoda. Okay, now we will try to explain about the features of these classes, subclasses, subphylum, and obviously phylum with proper examples. Clear? So this is too vast classification, so I have to separate it into two parts, or you can say two videos. I will try to complete up to Malacostraca in my first part, in my first video as the first part of the Arthropoda, and remaining part I will describe as the second part of the Arthropoda. So I have to divide this classification into two parts. Clear? So you just check out all two parts, okay? And obviously after subscription you just press the bell icon for getting the notification, okay, when I upload the video. Clear? So let's continue. Okay, so first is the phylum characters. This is the phylum characters, and secondly I just described here, that is the subphylum characters, okay, and after that I will describe about the class characters and the subclass character, okay. So first you can see here the first character is segmented body with bilateral symmetry. So body is segmented and bilateral symmetry is there, okay. Body is segmented. Suppose this is a structure. This is the rough structure, and body is segmented, sorry, body is bilaterally symmetry, okay. So bilateral symmetry is here. Second point is that anterior segments specialize to form a distinct head. In this phylum, the invertebrate characters now will try to develop, and that's why here body is divided properly. You can see that body is divided properly into head, sometimes thorax and abdomen. Clear? So here we can see the head-like structure, and that is distinct structure, okay, and this is seen in the anterior portion. Second part, third one is the body is externally covered with a thick, tough and non-living chitinous cuticle forming the exoskeleton. So exoskeleton means here the skeleton system is seen just outside of the body. In case of human or the vertebrates, the vertebral column present but within the body, okay. So but here the skeleton system that is present just outside the body, and that's why this is called the exoskeleton. Clear? And here exoskeleton is what? That is chitinous. The exoskeleton is just hard and chitinous cuticle. Not so hard, not bone-like structure, but it is thick and tough-like structure. Okay. This is the chitinous cuticle. It is present. Fourth one is that a pair of externally joined appendages. Okay, so joint appendages present. Joint appendages present. Clear? Joint appendages present. The joint means the two part of the one appendage or one walking leg, that is joint here. Okay. Next one, arthropods exhibit ecdysis or molting. Ecdysis or molting means ki what? That means the old exoskeleton part or chitinous part that is totally removed from the body, and the new chitinous part or exoskeleton part that is again developed just over the body. Okay, so molting is seen here. Under this phylum, there are the subphylum Chelicerata. First one, Chelicerata means here the body divided into an anterior cephalothorax. Cephalothorax. This is the head and abdominal portion that join to each other. This is called the cephalothorax. Head and not abdomen, sorry, thorax. head and thoracic region that are totally joined to each other to form the cephalothorax, and this part is the abdomen. Clear? And here the cephalothorax is totally covered by carapace. Okay, this is covered by carapace, and posterior abdomen, this is called the opisthoma, and this abdominal portion, this is called the opisthoma, and this cephalothorax portion, that is called, this is the anterior portion, and this is called prosoma. That means body is divided into two parts, one is prosoma and second one is the opisthoma. Clear? And in prosoma there are the head and thoracic region, and in opisthoma there is only abdominal region. Okay, with walking legs, okay, with walking legs. Next, second part is appendages uniremus. Appendages uniremus means, that means uniremus and biremus. Biremus means this type of situation is called the biremus, and uniremus means this type of situation is called the uniremus. Okay, so here appendages generally uniremus, and a pair of chelate, okay, a pair of chelate and this two hard portion just like that, and there is also, okay, this is called the chelate like structure, and that comes from the cephalothorax or head portion, chelate like structure. This is called the chelate, and due to presence of chelate, this is known as the cheliceratum. Not only chelate, one thing, that is pedibulbs present, and 4 pair of walking legs also present. Antenna here absent. So these are the 3 features that are present in the cheliceratum, or that are seen in the cheliceratum. Next one is the crustacea. Crustacea means, here this is the second subphylum, and here head bear 5 pairs of appendages. What are that? Antennae, mandibles and maxillae. Okay, all are present within the head. These are all the head appendages. 2 pairs of antennae, 1 pair of mandibles and 2 pairs of maxillae. Second one is that cylindrical or leaf-like appendages. These are biremus. Here the appendages are uniremus, and here the appendages are biremus. Exoskeleton, calcareous. Okay, sometimes, not all time. Generally, exoskeleton sometimes become calcareous. Okay, respiration, that is occurring with the help of gills, but these gills are associated with the appendages. The third one, C, that is the uniramia. Uniramia, here the body divided into head and trunk, but sometimes trunk is divided again into thorax and abdominal part. Clear? And when the trunk is not divided, then the appendages or the walking legs that are attached with the trunks. But when the trunk is divided, then the thorax region, that is attached with the appendages, but abdominal region, there is no appendages. Clear? Appendages here, the uniremus, okay, and head with maxillae. Here head bear with the appendages that are maxillae, mandibles, antennae and upper lip or labrum. Okay, and another organ, or you can say the another structure, that is the compound eyes, also present in this phylum. Clear? So here, subphylum. So here I already described the phylum features and all the subphylum features. Now we try to describe about the classes features and the subclasses features. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so here first class, that is merostomata. Okay, so this is the under subphylum of Chelicerata, Merostomata, and then second is the Arachnida, and third one is the Pycnogonida. Clear? So here the Merostomata, first point is the 5 or 6 pairs of abdominal appendages that modified as gills. Okay, 5 or 6 pairs of abdominal appendages that modified as gills. Second one is the caudal spine or tail shell. Caudal spine or tail shell that present at the end of the body. That means this is the body part and the end part there is the tail shell. This is present. Next, compound eye is present. Under this class there are two subclasses. One is extinct and another is the Xiphosaura. So Xiphosaura, there are the features that bottom dwellers, nocturnal, and they remain in the shallow coastal water, and they are known as the horseshoe crabs. Horseshoe crabs. And prosoma is covered by large horseshoe-shaped carapace. Prosoma and opisthoma, there are two parts. So prosoma is covered by a large horseshoe-shaped carapace, and the caudal spine that is elongated, slender and pointed. 6 pairs of appendages present here. 6 pairs of appendages present. And here example is the limulus. Limulus. Clear? So these are the features. Next part, that is the arachnida. Here the prosoma unsegmented abdomen is divided into pre-abdomen and post-abdomen. Okay. So here prosoma is present, but opisthoma, that is the abdominal part, is divided into two parts. One is the pre-abdomen, another is the post-abdominal part. Second point is that prosoma consists of pair of chelicerae, pedipalps, and 4 pair of legs. And they use poison sometimes, or sometimes silkworm like that, or silk moth. These are another thing. So here they use poison or silk-like substances during prey capturing. During the time of prey capturing. An example is scorpion. Okay. So third one is the Pycnogonida, and here head bears 4 eyes. At its anterior end a cylindrical proboscis. So head bears with 4 eyes and 1 proboscis. Small benthic marine animals, and generally these are known as the sea spiders. An example is the nymphon, and its example is the scorpion. So these are the feature of Merostomata, Arachnida and Pycnogonida. Clear? Here the Xiphosaura, there is example Limulus, and you can say them as horseshoe crabs, and the total body is covered with the carapace. This carapace is also known as a horseshoe shaped carapace. Clear? Example is the limulus. And here main important point, that is the abdomen is divided into pre-abdominal part and the post-abdominal part. This is the important point. And another, these are same like that. The main important or distinct, not unique point, you can say that the abdomen sometimes divided into pre-abdominal part and the post-abdominal part, and obviously they use poison or silk-like substances in prey capturing. Clear? And Pycnogonida, there is the important and unique feature is that the proboscis present, cylindrical proboscis present at the edge of the anterior end, and there are 4 eyes. Clear? So next we will learn about another classes and subclasses. So this is the large descriptional part of the Arthropoda. So that's why here I complete the first part of the arthropod classification, and in my next video I will try to describe another features of the classes and subclasses. So you continue with my channel. So thank you.